On July 20th, 1969, the lunar module landed on the moon, carrying Neil Armstrong and Buzz Aldrin. Mission Control, located at NASA Johnson Space Center in Texas, erupted in celebration. The Apollo Mission Control Center, or MCC, is where NASA's flight control team planned, trained, and executed Gemini, Apollo, Apollo-Soyuz, Skylab, and Space Shuttle missions until 1992, including the momentous Apollo 11, the moon landing. Unfortunately, by 2015, the MCC was deteriorating and assigned threatened status by the National Park Service. An effort to make needed repairs stalled until former flight director Gene Kranz, former flight controller Ed Fendel, JSC Historic Preservation Officer Sandra Tetley, Texas State Historic Preservation Officer Mark Wolf, ACHP Chairman Milford Wayne Donaldson, and the National Park Service joined forces, paving the way for the restoration. A renewed and robust Section 106 consultation effort by NASA ensued, with the goal of a determination of no adverse effect for the project and ensuring the restoration was conducted in accordance with the Secretary of the Interior's standards for the treatment of historic properties. The ACHP assisted with the funding of the project, managing the $4 million raised by Space Center Houston and the city of Webster, Texas. NASA cannot accept public donations that have a targeted purpose, but through provisions in the National Historic Preservation Act, the ACHP has the flexibility to accept donations and designate the funds for specific historic preservation projects. The restoration of the National Historic Landmark MCC was a joint effort of Johnson Space Center, Space Center Houston, the City of Webster, and the Manned Spaceflight Operations Association. The goal was to recreate the scene back in 1969 down to the last detail. The carpet, wallpaper, and ceiling tiles were replicated. The panels in the original consoles were reconfigured from shuttle to harken back to Apollo. Even original flight documents, chairs, ashtrays, bookcases, and trash cans were either obtained or reproduced. The visitor viewing room was also restored, which included significant repairs and cleaning to the original carpet and the original theater-style chairs. The simulation control room was outfitted with original, non-working Apollo consoles and hanging monitors, and the Batcave rear projection mirror system was reutilized using modern projectors. As we celebrate the 50th anniversary of the moon landing in 2019, the MCC is now a place for the Apollo generation to remember an incredible time in history and inspire the next generation to continue our nation's space exploration. The multifaceted collaboration and resolve to restore the historic MCC to its Apollo-era state are the reasons that this project is being presented with the ACHP Chairman's Award for Achievement in Historic Preservation.